if you want to see how to do a clothesline and mess up and then do it the right way, then just keep watching, okay? So I'm on to another mission, and I need to do my kitchen. Guys, right about now, I need to stay focused, so I made myself a list. I have to right about now because things are a little overwhelming. What's wrong with this stand? Why is it cockeyed? Things are a little overwhelming and I have so much to do. So what I did is make myself a list, and this is what what's wrong with this? Gosh, what the hell? What's wrong with my stand? Okay, so what I did was make myself a list. This is the list of things that I want to do today and things that need to be done. So, as you can see, clothesline, check. This is everything that I did today. Clothesline, check. Wash the chairs, check. Couch, I washed the couch, check. Get away, Biggie. I washed some clothes. Check. I need to finish washing some of the dishes, so I'm going to check that off because I'm about to do that now. I need to sweep the floor, mop the floor, fold the clothes, and I want to paint the porch and paint the picnic table in the back today. But I don't know if I'm going to get all that done. But I am trying to stay focused. As you guys know, I have a procedure coming up where they're going to remove the abnormalness in my left breast, and in a week from now, that's when I'm getting the procedure done. So I'm trying to get as much as I can done now so that I could like just relax after, because I'm going to be out of commission for at least a couple days. I might be in pain. I don't really know what to look forward to, I guess. I do tolerate pain very well. I don't like taking pills, so I probably won't be on any kind of pain meds or anything except for like Tylenol. I hate taking pills. I like to feel normal, whatever my normal is. So that's why I'm really trying to stay focused and get shit done, or else I will be, that's why I can't have fun with you guys on the live, because at nighttime is when I am doing my editing now, instead of taking my whole entire day away editing. So I usually edit probably around 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock, and then I'll come in, jump on the live with you guys and whatever. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. It's 2 o'clock. I've been going all morning, but I am ready to do what I gotta do in this kitchen, and then I'm ready for a nap. And I have not taken a nap in I don't know how long, but I'm tired. And if these freaking cats don't stay off my table, we're not doing this, Biggie. We're not doing this. Oh, I'm currently washing all my rugs for the floor, so then I'll be able to mop the floor and then put the rugs, the clean rugs down. So let's just do the dang thing, okay? Come with me, come on. By the way, this is my new kitchen. You like? I like. This is my backyard. Do not judge me upon this backyard because it was like this when I got it. I'm not very happy about it, but it is what it is until he gets it the heck out of my yard. But I want to hang a clothesline because, well, I'm trying to save electricity. And as you know, dryers cost money. Oh, look, a little tiny little animal. A little tiny animal. Get over here. Look, guys. Look. No, it's not a maggot. It's a caterpillar. It's a little baby. Oh! Caterpillar. Alright, so I don't know how you're gonna reach that over there, but be careful when you walk over there because there's probably nails. Okay? I think we need something though. Well, alright guys, so learn from me. I'm going to show you what I did wrong so that you don't do it, okay? So, this wire is not supposed to go through this up over here. It's supposed to hang down this way. Go figure. So, poor Laylo got to do the whole thing over. Well, we have to do the whole thing over, so. Yeah.
Well, look, because you messed up the bottom, the whole thing's unraveled.
It's okay. It's okay because we're going to tie it in a knot.
Do I have to tie it like at the edge or no?
No. We have a lot of slack. We have a bunch of slack. So once you tie it in a knot, it won't unravel again. But you gotta do the other side too. You did? Oh. You sure? Yeah. You sure? Doesn't it seem like it's supposed to go the other way? Like, what's gonna hold it down?
It's supposed like this.
Alright. Yeah, you're right.
Sweetheart! Alright, really, Mom? Because I'm trying to go do something.
What are you trying to do?
Roll.
tight enough, but it'll work. It'll work. Look at this. We got it up. That's all that matters. High five!
Hallelujah.
Done, guys. And if you want to know where I got this stuff from, I got it from Walmart. Wally World have everything a girl can dream of for a clothesline. Yes. Yes. Everything is from Hyper Tough. Actually, I'm lying. Bulldog Hardware. The string is Hyper Tough. It's all from Walmart. So yeah. If you want to see how to do a clothesline and mess up and then do it the right way, then just keep watching, okay? Yeah, I did this all ass backwards. Thanks for watching. Until the next video, we'll catch you on the flip side. By the way, guys, it's like 90 degrees here. That's why I'm naked. I'm always naked like this in my bathing suit in the summertime. Get used to it. Get used to the Splenda. Get used to all of it because it's not going anywhere. Not anytime soon, anyway.